H Company just released Runner H, the first artificial intelligence agent that does not simply provide suggestions or answers, but actually performs tasks by clicking buttons, logging into websites, typing emails, filling forms, and placing orders across the internet. This represents a fundamental shift from conversational artificial intelligence to action-oriented automation that can complete 10 hours of work in 10 minutes. Runner H operates as a fully autonomous virtual assistant powered by the HoloOne visual language model capable of understanding web page layouts and interacting with them intelligently. The system is currently available for free public beta testing, but this access window is limited as the company prepares to transition to a paid model within days. Today, I will examine how Runner H transforms digital productivity by automating complex online workflows that previously required manual human intervention. Runner H fundamentally differs from traditional chatbots by focusing on execution rather than information provision. The system can apply for multiple job positions, rework and distribute documents via email, manage inbox communications, order groceries, book travel arrangements, and populate spreadsheets with data across hundreds of websites simultaneously. The underlying HoloOne visual language model represents a 3 billion parameter system specifically designed to comprehend web page structures, including buttons, forms, menus, and navigation elements. This visual understanding enables Runner H to interact with websites exactly as a human user would, but with significantly greater speed and accuracy. The system operates through a sophisticated reasoning engine and task orchestrator that delegates work across multiple sub-agents, enabling parallel workflow execution across numerous platforms. This architecture allows Runner H to handle complex, multi-step processes with single prompt instructions, while maintaining awareness of task dependencies and sequencing requirements. Integration capabilities extend to popular productivity platforms, including Google Workspace, Notion, Slack, Gmail, Zapier, and Google Drive, enabling seamless operation within existing organizational workflows. This integration approach ensures that Runner H enhances rather than disrupts established business processes. Runner H demonstrates advanced autonomous capabilities through its ability to understand complex task requirements and execute them without continuous human supervision. The system can navigate authentication processes, interpret dynamic web content, and adapt to changing interface elements across different platforms and services. The visual language model architecture enables Runner H to process web pages as humans do, recognizing interactive elements and understanding contextual relationships between different page components. This capability extends beyond simple screen scraping to genuine comprehension of user interface design patterns and functional workflows. Task orchestration occurs through sophisticated delegation mechanisms that distributes work across specialized sub-agents optimized for different types of online interactions. This distributed approach enables Runner H to maintain multiple concurrent sessions while ensuring that each task receives appropriate attention and resources. The system maintains persistent awareness of workflow state across extended operations, enabling it to resume interrupted tasks and coordinate dependencies between different automation sequences. This persistence capability proves particularly valuable for complex business processes that span multiple platforms and require sequential completion steps. Professional applications of Runner H extend across numerous business functions where repetitive online tasks consume significant human resources. Content creators can automate research compilation, data entry, and distribution workflows that traditionally require hours of manual effort per project. Entrepreneurs and business founders benefit from Runner H's ability to handle administrative tasks, including vendor communications, appointment scheduling, invoice processing, and customer service inquiries. These automation capabilities free human resources for higher-value strategic activities while maintaining consistent service quality. The system excels at handling workflows that require interaction with multiple platforms sequentially, such as gathering information from various sources, compiling reports, and distributing results to stakeholders. This cross-platform coordination capability addresses one of the most time-consuming aspects of modern digital work environments. H Company has secured $220 million in investment funding, indicating substantial confidence in the commercial viability and scalability of autonomous agent technology. This financial backing supports continued development of advanced capabilities and expanded integration options for enterprise customers.
The open sourcing of the HOLO-1 visual language model represents a significant development for the broader artificial intelligence community, enabling researchers and developers to build upon these foundational capabilities. This open approach could accelerate innovation in visual understanding and web automation technologies across the industry. RunnerH currently operates without waitlists or invitation requirements, providing immediate access to users interested in testing its capabilities. However, this free access period will conclude within days as the company transitions to a commercial pricing model, making immediate evaluation essential for potential users. The company has also released TesterH, an artificial intelligence system for creating executable end-to-end tests from natural language descriptions, demonstrating their broader commitment to automating software development and quality assurance workflows. This expansion suggests a comprehensive approach to business process automation beyond simple task execution. If you liked the video, don't forget to press the like button, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Industry observers are positioning RunnerH as one of the first artificial intelligence agents that functions as a genuine operator rather than merely a tool, representing a significant advancement toward practical autonomous assistance that reduces rather than increases cognitive load for human users. RunnerH demonstrates that artificial intelligence has evolved beyond conversational interfaces to become a practical automation platform capable of executing complex online workflows with minimal human intervention. This transition from suggestion-based assistance to action-oriented execution represents a fundamental advancement in artificial intelligence utility. The system's ability to integrate with existing business tools while operating across hundreds of websites simultaneously positions it as a potentially transformative productivity enhancement for organizations seeking to automate repetitive digital tasks. The visual understanding capabilities provided by HOLO-1 enable interactions that closely mirror human web navigation patterns. The limited-time free access opportunity presents a valuable evaluation window for businesses and individuals considering automation investments. As RunnerH transitions to a paid model, early adopters will have practical experience with its capabilities and limitations before making financial commitments. The broader implications suggest that autonomous agents like RunnerH may fundamentally alter expectations for digital productivity tools, shifting focus from human-computer collaboration to human-supervised automation across increasingly complex task domains.